The last time when Ford put on the Tremor badge on a truck was for the 2014 model year, when the previous generation F-150 got a somewhat sporty version with miscellaneous tweaks inside and out. The blue oval is bringing the moniker back, but it's taking a different approach as now Tremor serves as an optional off-road package for the F-250 and F-350. Trying to live up to the Build Ford Tough ethos, Ford has created what it refers to as the most capable off-road Super Duty ever. Available as a pack for the XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum trims of the two workhorses. Tremor comes with 35-inch maximum traction all-terrain tires for better off-road driving. These are the largest tires fitted to a heavy-duty pickup and come together with bespoke 18-inch wheels finished in matte black. Compared to a non-Tremor F-250 or F-350, the trucks boast a 2-inch front-end lift as well as a shorter air dam to enable generous ground clearance of 10.8 inches. A Super Duty Tremor also boasts segment-leading water fording of 33 inches and the best approach and departure angles ever offered on a Super Duty model. Customers will be able to order the pack with either the completely new 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine or the high-torque 3rd Gen 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel, both of which are hooked up to a 10-speed automatic heavy-duty transmission. The Tremor package will also bundle other goodies like a Dana limited slip differential at the front and a locking differential with electric shift on the fly engagement at the back. Ford mentions a Super Duty equipped with a Tremor package features running boards that tuck up next to the body to avoid damages, along with a FX4 sourced skin plates and extended axle vent tubes. Selectable drive modes are also in the offering, including a new rock crawl mode designed to work in 4x4 load. The F-150 Raptor's trail control, also seen in the Ranger, is making its debut on a Super Duty model and work basically like an off-road cruise control system. Ford will have the Tremor package available later this year, together with the 2020 Super Duty lineup.